This is the Xiaomi 13 Ultra.
I love Xiaomi's design. I like it absolutely lush against your palm.
Even inhibits the growth of 99% of bacteria.
That is almost as much a camera as it is a phone.
4 50 megapixel cameras on the rear. Each individual lens is super high quality.
The Ultra has a dual aperture setup.
With f1.9, the focus plane is really shallow, but if you switch to f4, then the focus plane becomes much wider, so then the background becomes a little bit in better focus.
It works brilliantly at any time of day.
What's completely new here, it's a 5x periscope zoom lens.
You get incredible amounts of detail from a ridiculous distance.
Its maximum brightness is 2600 nits, so it's the new brightest display on the market.
In direct sunlight, this phone is not just visible from all angles, but actually bright from all angles. How fast is it?
Xiaomi has gone with a Qualcomm Snapdragon 8 Gen 2. The Ultra model can basically blaze through any game out there.
The new hibernation mode. It's programmed to hibernate when it hits 1 percentage point of battery to give you one more solid hour of still being reachable.
Absolutely stunning stuff.
Cutting edge hardware.
Undeniably peak smartphone.
Xiaomi.